Hi everyone, today we'll be making this really cute flower. In the first part of the video, we'll be doing a flower with 4 petals, and in the second part of the video, we'll be making it with 6 petals. In today's project, we'll be using 2 different color yarn, a crochet hook that is 2.5 millimeter and some scissors, as well as a crochet needle. Let's begin by taking one of your colors. It could be either one. I'll start by using the green one. Let's make a slip knot. Then place the yarn on the hook and just tighten. Then we're going to start making chains. Yarn over, pull through a loop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here let's connect to the very first one with a slip knot. And now we have formed a little circle, which you can't see very well, but there's the middle of the circle, and that is where we're going to work on in the next step. For the next step, let's make a single chain. Then insert the hook into the middle of the ring, and I'm gonna crochet that tail end. Grab the yarn, pull through, and make a single crochet. That's your single crochet. Again, insert the hook into the ring, grab the yarn, pull through until you have 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through both. And let's do that 12 times. So we're going to make 12 single crochets inside the circle, and we're going to continue crocheting in that tail end. And if needed, you can move those over a little bit to get a little more space. Let's see where we are at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we need one more. 12. And that is where we are at. Now from here, we're going to add the yellow color. So let's cut this green off. And insert the hook into the very first stitch, but instead of crocheting in with green, we're going to add the yellow right there. So grab the yarn and pull it through both while holding all of your work with the rest of your fingers. And now we're going to do 2 chains. 1, 2. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, and complete the double crochet by pulling through 2 and then pulling through 2 more. Same thing in the next stitch. Yarn over and complete the double crochet. Then make 2 chains. And next do a slip stitch into the next stitch. And that is the first petal. Let's begin the second petal. 2 chains, yarn over, and double crochet into the next stitch. Same thing, yarn over, double crochet into the following stitch. and 2 chains, slip stitch into the next one, and repeat. 2 chains, yarn over, double crochet into the next stitch. Same thing, 1 more double crochet in the following stitch, followed by 2 chains, and slip stitch into the next one. So that's my third petal of my flower. Let's do the last petal the same exact way. Double crochet, 1 more double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 chains and slip stitch into that very last stitch that is left. Then pull out the yarn and cut it. And now we have a flower with 4 petals. All is left is hide this tail end in the back, which I'll do next. And that is our first flower. Let's use, you can use your crochet hook to hide the tail ends, but I'm going to use a crochet needle. So insert the needle in the back through the yellow stitches, thread the yarn, and just pull it through. And then you can do that a couple more times if you would like to. Then just clip the one that we just hid, and we can do the same thing with the rest. This time I'll use my crochet hook just to show you. You have to be a little bit careful by using when using crochet hook to hide the tail ends, because you can easily ruin your work if you pull and stretch it too much. But that's pretty much it. Much easier with crochet needle. So I'll just finish that one off. Cut this tail end too, and lastly the green one. I think I crocheted one of the green tail ends in already, but I'll just pass it through anyway one more time just in case. Same idea. Insert the needle a couple more times and pull it through and clip those tail ends. And there, that is our 4-leaf flower. Looks a little bit like this one actually. All right, so this was option number 1. Option number 2, we're going to do exactly the same story. I will do a slip knot and then make 4 chains and then connect to the very first one with a slip stitch. Whoops, I lost it. Let's do that one more time. Slip stitch into the very first, followed by 1 chain, and then let's work 12 single crochets into the middle of the ring, just like we did in the first flower. And I'm going to crochet that tail end as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, move them over a little bit, make more room, 11, and I can cut this tail end off already, And I have one more single crochet to do. And that's 12. From here, let's insert the hook in the very first stitch. Whoops, a little bit tight. I'll cut this tail end off too. We'll be connecting to the yellow next, so insert the hook in the first stitch, take the other color, in my case yellow, and pull it through to make a slip stitch with the yellow. And now we're going to start the next round, the petals. Let's make 2 chains, and now 2 double crochets in the next stitch. So if you remember, last time we did 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. In this case, we're going to put both double crochets into the same exact stitch. And again, I'm crocheting in those tail ends, all the yellow and the greens, and then 2 chains and slip stitch into the next stitch. So that is my first petal. And then 2 chains, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and 2 chains, slip stitch into the next one. And that's my second petal. Let's begin the next one with 2 chains, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, and then 2 chains, slip stitch into the next stitch. And now we have 3 petals. So keep going until I finish. And at the end of this, we should have a total of 6 petals. I'll speed up this part of the video and I'll meet you at the end. All right, we've made the last 2 chains and I have one stitch left, so that's where I'm going to do a slip stitch. And we're done. Pull out the yarn, cut it, and that's it. We can cut these 2 tail ends as well in the back, which we crocheted in the beginning, and the only thing left is just take care of this last tail end. And again, I will use my crochet needle to do that very quickly and easily. And then just clip that last tail end and we've got our second flower. So here are your 2 options. I hope you enjoyed it. Very easy, 5-minute project. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.